Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice and today's video is going to be a clean with me. Usually when I do clean with me, I like to start off by making a list, and I also like to put on either some socks or some house shoes. That way my feet just doesn't get tired from walking on the floor, because after a while my feet hurt from going up and down, so I try to get comfortable in that aspect. And so right here, I'm writing down a list of the things that I have to get done. I knew I had to clean the master bath, and I knew I had to clean my bedroom. I also had to clean Madison and Jackson's room, but I didn't get to those two rooms in this video. I do have a clip of me organizing their room a few weeks ago before the coronavirus broke out. So I don't know if you guys wanted to see that. I could include that in the clip. So yeah, that's what I was doing here, is writing down what I needed to get done. So here it is. I'm showing you my list. I find that when I have a list, I get a lot done, versus if I just got up and started cleaning, I'd be all over the place. So a list keeps me, motivated to keep going, because I know what it is that I'm doing after I finish a task. So starting with the master bedroom, I had to change my sheet, and I'd like to change out my sheet every couple days, because for some reason I like a clean sheet. Even if the covers are, I like a clean sheet. It feels good on your body when your sheets are clean. So that's what I'm doing here. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Feel uninvited, left home in West LA, I'm not excited, so uninspired, on my way to play the bay while you're alone. This girl's a wonder, she loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer, just wanna touch like back when we were younger, yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting, I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble, when he's around my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no. Don't slow me down, don't wanna do this solo. Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me, touch me, touch me, touch me no more.
you guys a video on this closet system that I have in my closet. Rob and I put it up after I lost over 50 something pounds, and I do have the footage and everything, but I just got, I don't know, it was like I was in a little funk for a few weeks about posting videos here on YouTube. I was gonna just give up on my channel, and then I was like, no, I worked way too hard to give up on my channel. So yeah, so this is why I'm making this video. But we did put in the closet system, and I love this space. This is a space that I can come and feel at peace automatically. I work really hard for this thing, and I'm really grateful for my husband for working really hard and for providing this for me. So anyways, I'll let you guys get back to the video.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
Okay, guys, so I am washing my sink, which is kind of bizarre, but my older boys, they are 13, they're twins. They are in charge of dishes, so when they wash the dishes, they don't necessarily wash the sink or the faucet. So I usually go in and make sure that my sink and my faucet is clean. That way there's no buildup on it, because let's be honest, my teenagers does not care. They do not care about my sink or my faucet. So I have to go in and go behind them and make sure that everything is clean. So that is what I'm doing here. So I know it might seem a little bizarre that I'm not washing dishes, but all of my children in our home have chores. And yeah, I'm not the only one cleaning around here. It wouldn't be fair. And I'm not the type of mom to be picky about what my children do. If they do something and it's not, to my standard, I'll go behind them when they're not looking and make sure it's done correctly. Or I'll show them how to do it. And over time, they will get the hang of it, and they'll realize that this is how mommy likes it, and they will do it properly. So, anyways, we are nearing the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And my schedule now are Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 a.m. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.